Hi everyone, I'm Helen from Biovalley, Vietnam, and today we have Mr. Marcus, from Planetzero.earth. Yeah, so today we're gonna talk about sustainability agriculture and how we can develop sustainability economy and how we can do many organic projects and good for the environment in the future. Yes,
Yeah.
It's very happy to have you here to share more about some our projects. Yes. So far, I've known that we Bioplan and Biovalley. We have our sustainability project about Biochar. Yes, and you're also a person in charge in that project.
Yes.
So I really would like to know more about that project. So could you explain a little bit about what is that project?
Thank you very much
Yeah.
for having me today. It's really
thank you
a
so
pleasure to talk with you about the project we are doing
Yeah.
together. Maybe quickly about Planetzero.earth, where we are a consultant taking care of greenhouse gas inventory, carbon footprint calculations, and
Yeah.
environmental reporting.
Yeah.
But then mainly we're working together on project development for organic waste turned into biochar.
Oh.
And that's basically our project,
Yeah.
where we use the organic residues from the manufacturing, turn it into biochar, and using the waste heat from the process, as well as using the biochar from the process we
Yeah.
generate. And the main purpose is to make good use of the biochar and using it in agricultural application,
Yeah.
meaning returning the biochar to the manufacturer or the producers of the plantations
Yes.
to improve the soil and use the benefits from using biochar, like water retention and capacity increase.
Yes.
We are introducing the more organic material structure for a better soil. We are the biochar itself will absorb nutrients and
Yeah.
also release nutrients.
Yes.
So everything will grow better, and therefore we have more crops and a more sustainable agriculture. So that makes much more sense.
Yes.
And therefore we are using the process to subsidize the energy consumption. We are transforming waste into something meaningful. By using the biochar for agriculture, we also can generate carbon credits.
Yeah.
So that's
Carbon
one of the
credits.
major points we are using it for. And that's in a nutshell, in short, is everything.
Yes. So it's a great project. Yes.
Yes.
And so I see nowadays people and businesses operators are doing more and more about circular
economy.
economy.
Exactly.
Yeah, economy approach that way. And I think BOJ is a really significant important. Yeah.
Yes.
In our project. Yeah. So we can use the branches of the cashew or like the shell of the nuts.
Yes.
Yeah, we can turn it into the biochar.
Yes.
And use for the factories.
Exactly.
Yeah,
From the project is we foresee that all the material from the wood, from the cashew trees, as well from the coffee trees,
Yes.
as well as then the shell material from the cashew nuts, and this all can be turned into biochar. Is in that project because of the products Biovalley and Bioplant are producing. But then at the other side, we can also turn other materials into biochar.
Yes.
But in this case, it will be those.
I still wonder how, in details, we can handle that project. Yeah.
Okay.
You explain me.
Yeah, so I can explain a bit more. So
Yeah.
we did already some testing together. So we tried different materials. And have already confirmed that we can turn the material into biochar.
Yeah.
Now we have evaluated from our side, we are working with technology suppliers.
Yes.
So we have a preliminary design
Yeah.
how to implement the project in the factory you are now building as well. So that's why we can already getting ready for the implementation of the project.
Yeah.
At the moment, we are looking for investors
Yes.
to join us in the project and support sustainability
Yes.
in the production of organic food, and also to get the benefits of carbon credits for their offsetting.
Yeah.
So that's basically the next step once we have the investor involved. And from our side, Planetzero.earth, we have identified a lot of interest and investors. We are very confident to get them to the table.
Yeah.
And then we basically need to go into the design phase where we do all the details, energy systems and how to process the waste and how to package. And then we can implement the project over the 1-2 years time frame. And then we will generate biochar at the factory of Bioplant.
Yes.
And we can return and give back to the farmers who supply the produce to the Biovalley plant.
Yeah, yes. So I really love a sentence that is, if we want to go far, if we want to go fast, we can go along.
Yeah.
If we want to go far, we can go together.
Exactly, and that's why we're joining and we're going together and in the long term.
Yes, yes. So actually, currently at this time, we are looking for investor who can join us and who can share with us about the can do together about the Biochar project. Yeah, to build the economy and to build the environment will be greener and will be more sustainable.
Yes.
Yeah, sustainable. Yeah, thank you.
Exactly, because it has a lot of potential not only for the biochar, but it will also have a long-term impact especially for the plantations, for the farmers who will be involved in those projects.
Yeah.
And therefore, this is a long-term investment and long-term benefit the farmers will have.
Yes, yes. Okay, so thank you very much
Thank you very much
having me today.
Yes.
Yes.